are so beautiful, and I can't deny. My heart is always with you, my head's always stuck in time. Love, let me go, cause I've been holding on for far too long. I've been fighting and keeping strong, now you just gotta let me go. Time, wash away every feeling that can cause me pain. All these memories I can't escape, can you let them all wash away? Let it all wash away, cause I don't wanna feel the pain. Love, just let me go, cause I don't wanna feel the pain of holding on and keeping strong. So now I'm moving on, I don't wanna feel the same. So love, just let me go. Guess I didn't know it would end this way. One drink too much and I could see your face. Why did I let you go? How could I let you leave? Will I ever see you? And do you think of me? Love, let me go, cause I've been holding on for far too long. I've been fighting and keeping strong, now you just gotta let me go. Time, wash away every feeling that can cause me pain. All these memories I can't escape, can you let them all wash away? Let it all wash away, cause I don't wanna feel the pain. Love, just let me go, cause I don't wanna feel the pain of holding on and keeping strong. So now I'm moving on, I don't wanna feel the same. So love, just let me go.
I'm going to start off with the Concourse Award. So today I want to award this to Luke with his red S15. So Luke, if you're around, if you want to bob up. Congratulations. we just thought that was a nice little award to do. So next one we're going to do is going to be the Motorist choice. Well, I think we all saw it coming for one of the awards, but it's the white R34 GTR that's parked up there on the right. So owner, if you can head down and we'll have a quick chat with you. Okay. Let's go for crowd favourite next. Again, I think a car that we've definitely all spotted and is very, very loved in. And that's the Red Bull liveried RX-7 just behind you. So, hidden gem. So this was a bit of an obscure one. We kind of wanted to give an award to someone who doesn't have, you know, like that top tier sort of car that just gets jaws dropped everywhere it goes. It was something that you wouldn't usually see, a bit different, you know. So the Hidden Gem Award, which is something I'm quite proud to do, goes to the Suzuki Samurai next to us. So I think before we draw the judge's choice, I'm going to bring Mac from the BDC over. They've picked out a car, so we're going to find out what that is. This was sort of best drift car-esque style, so are we sticking with here? So the blue Zenki S14 that's been debuted here today, brand new build, nobody's seen this car before. If the car is still here, it was sort of middle of the field, way back down there. If the owner's here, if you can come forward, you're the BDC's choice. Zenki. Right, and then Akira brand have chosen a car as well to give a few detailing supplies to. Wayne. Are we sticking with? Yeah. I've never done this before, so.
Alright, so this car is not because we have the same car or the same colour, but it's because of the fact that we've seen him build this car since the very, very beginning. We followed him for so long, and he's also supported us as the brand. And it's not even because of that we're giving this prize. It's just because of the dedication and the pride he has to his car. And it's not just that, it's the way he is as a person. Because we genuinely believe it's not just about your car, it's about the person. So we want to award this to Dan Hancock's in his grey 350Z rocket bunny.
So big one, judge's choice. All the staff have kind of on our end come together to pick something out. I'm going to have to revert back to my notes and see what it was. Right, so this is a brand new club member actually. This guy joined the club a couple of days ago after spotting the car at a local show. So the owners of the Cream Datsun pickup, can you please head over? There was a reason I asked if you were staying for the awards when I asked you. There you go. Congratulations. So, awards done. I just want to say a massive thank you to everybody that's come out, all the traders that have come out. Obviously, a lot of those guys are new here, they didn't really know what to expect, kind of took a risk coming to one of our events, spending hundreds to get here, bringing staff. All of you guys have brought your cars up, some of you stayed. I mean, Dan, I know, set off Thursday to get here, which is pretty impressive stuff, really. But yeah, a huge thank you to all of you. Your support means the world, and without that, this doesn't happen. So just thank you for being behind us the whole way. If this carries on, as will we, we're going to go bigger, better, like we always say. More events, bigger events, and just thank you all so much for your support. It's, you know, it's a dream to be able to do this stuff, so thank you. Thank you very much.